Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your OPPO Find N2 Flip. So, we have a Google Lens on this device, so there is two ways for it. The first one is by opening the Google Photos. Then look for the photo that you want to search in the Google. And now just click on the Google Lens icon. And now Google will looking automatically for similar photos. That was our first method, and the second one is without a Google Lens. So we have to open the web browser and go to the google.com. Then go to the three-dot icon or arrow icon, and it's necessary and very important, switch your web browser to the desktop side. Now just click on the camera icon and choose upload a file. Add the permissions to the files and choose the photo. And that's it. You can see now we are looking for the same photo or just similar one in the Google image database. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.